Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to track your AliExpress order. So open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and enter section My Orders. Now we want to find order that you want to track, then tap on it to open its details, and then you should find a button that says Tracking. So press it and now you should see something like this. This is tracking information. So here you can see estimate delivery time, which is very convenient. You can see your carrier, you can see your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates that are located right here. So that is basically your shipping details. But if you don't want to use AliExpress application, you can also copy your tracking number and drop that number into universal tracking websites like AliExpress here suggests me that I use 17 track website, but I personally prefer more this website, parcelapp.com. So here enter your tracking number, then tap this icon and it will pull all information from courier systems. But don't start to panic if your tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress usually can be a little slow to update, so it will refresh when your order will enter your country. So that's basically how you can track your order on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.